What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Number two, this does work inside of DaVinci Resolve as well. So if you're watching Premiere, this works for DaVinci Resolve. Have fun. Now we're learning how to automatically cut videos inside of Premiere using AI, the cheaper way, the free way. It's not totally free, but you do not need an API key or a call that costs you 20 cents every time you press the button. You do not need to use that. You can use that, but you don't have to. Now this tool is called RoughCut from Filmit.io. You can totally start a free trial. Just go to filmit.io, click free trial right here, make an account, download Filmit Studio. It is a desktop application that allows you to install this plugin for Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. Once you have Filmit Studio installed, in my tools section here, you'll see either DaVinci or Premiere. Just find RoughCut and install it. Along with your trial, you actually get access to the entire library that this company offers. You can try all of their GPU effects and transitions, all plugins, have fun, it's all included. Now, once you've installed RoughCut inside of Premiere Pro or DaVinci, go to Window, Extensions, and then RoughCut to open it up. If it doesn't show up, just close and reopen Premiere, it'll be there. And for DaVinci, you go to Workspaces, and then Workspace Integrations, I think, to use RoughCut. I have to check later, but that's how you use plugins in DaVinci. Now, inside of Premiere Pro, I already have some setup. This is a rough cutting tool. It's not made to just fully edit your video, although it does help a ton. You still need to be an editor. So I've actually went ahead and organized some stuff inside of here, an owner interview, a distiller tour, an owner tour. The audio is already aligned. Everything's already done because this is what RoughCut's going to pull from. This is the little DJI mics, the boom mic, all this stuff is aligned into 4 separate sequences as our source sequences. From here, we're going to add a project in RoughCut. Click this, click this, click this, click this. We're going to add all these sequences as sources. Then we're going to hit transcribe all to transcribe stuff. And if you get stuck at any point in time with RoughCut, click the help button here. You can read through some settings, also join the Discord or just contact the team at Filmit to get help. You can talk with me live on Discord and I'll help you out. No big deal. Now click transcribe all. If you can't click this quite yet, you may see a button up here that says install Whisper or something like that. Whisper is a local transcription piece that works on your computer locally. It does not run in the cloud. It doesn't take any data, nothing like that, but it is made to transcribe your stuff, and it's way better than Premiere's native transcription software. And yeah, this is exactly what it needs to do that. Okay, it is done. It is transcribed everything. This is exactly what we want. Now tell the story. Type in what this story is about. I typed this scene. Deal. Now we want to add a piece. So add a piece. I want to make a 3-minute video out of all this footage. A documentary, warm, standard. Let's just do a brand film instead. And then we want to add some shorts. Let's do 6 shorts for social. Under 30 seconds, 9:16 aspect ratio. That's exactly, you can change that, 1:1, 16:9. That's just a preset. All good. Now, if you don't mind paying with your OpenAI account or Anthropic, just click Analyze with AI and you're good to go. That's totally fine. You can add your keys in the settings page or in your Filmit dashboard profile online or Filmit Studio, and it saves here. Pick your model from here. Have fun. Click Analyze with AI. Spend 20 cents per button click. That's totally fine. It's up to you. Or the free way. Let's do it the free way. Now, also, if you pay for a Claude account or a ChatGPT Pro account, those work great too. But you can also just use a free account. Let's export for Claude. This is going to export a file for us called Distillery Test for Claude. Let's do free for Claude, and click save. As you can see, I'm in free plan. I'm not going to upgrade. I'm going to drag in that text file that we just exported from RoughCut right into here, and I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to click send. That's all we need. You don't need to prompt it. You don't need to do anything. It's going to think for a bit, and we're going to watch it as it does its thing and send us back a thing. Now, I will say, if you try to queue up a 15-minute documentary, a short documentary, 50 different shorts, that's where the free accounts start kind of breaking down. So take your time, be meticulous with the free versions. It will still work. Just do small batches at a time to do RoughCut and making it work. And you'll understand more of this process once we import this back into RoughCut. And as you can see here, create the finished RoughCut edit JSON with hero cut and shorts batch. That's exactly what we're after. It's going to send me the file here in just a second. We're going to download it and we're going to import it back into RoughCut. As you can see here, it's writing the JSON. This is exactly what we need. Let it do its thing. And it's done. Distillery test cut. Let's download the JSON and we're good to go. Great. Now we're back into RoughCut. We've downloaded our JSON file from Free Claude. Thank you, Free Claude. And we will import cut plan inside of RoughCut. Here it is, Distillery Test Cut 1. I've done this like multiple times through testing. So let's do this. And here it is. We wanted a 3-minute video. Target is 3:21. And here it is. Here is the cut. It automatically goes through all of our quotes, everything, organizes stuff for us. You can search the quotes really quick just to show show you what this actually does. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of RoughCut and hit build all in Premiere. You can see here, there's shorts that it built. There's also the hero cut, build all in Premiere, 7 sequences. It's going to build a little folder for you in RoughCut. Now it's building the sequences right here. It's going. This is live. And there you go, RoughCut. It did the hero cut, RoughCut, distillery test, hero cut, distillery test, so on. It names it after the file we imported to keep it organized. And here it is. Let's play it back. This is it. It's really cool. This is the exact thing that it put together for us. And it was no API key, nothing like that. Free Claude worked totally fine. Now you do need to subscribe to Filmit.io or do a free trial to try this, but the team there is nuts. They're building tools left and right. And the whole point is to be a part of the team and get tools as they come out and offer suggestions. It's a very community driven platform. The community wants a tool and the team builds it and you get it within a few days. Now back to RoughCut. This is the gist. You know, you can export. That's what you want. But we want to look at our shorts too. Look at this. There's all of our shorts. This is great for editors. No more worrying about editing online in those like weird platforms that you're not used to editing in. They always suck, to be honest with you. I'm not going to name names, but you know what they are. They're terrible. Real quick, hero cut. Here it is. Here's the hero cut that it put out for us. But what if I wanted to change something? I wanted to like modify this, go over. I don't want to be 3 minutes. I want to add some more lines. Super simple. The vision is the opener. Let's add a line. There's a hook tag. I think we hook people in. Let's add it. Let's add this. Let's add this line. There's a theme line. Ones that are grayed out, you already used. Distillery modern art is meant to invoke senses. Let's add that. And if I were to just build this cut real quick, it would build it in Premiere and it would add those new lines down here. As you can see, it's building it very quickly. Yada, 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 yada. Here it is. And here's those 2 little lines that I just added. I can't actually hear what he's saying. Okay, let's see what he says. Here it is. Now, if you notice that some of the quotes are getting cut off, that's no big deal. Scroll to the bottom and just add handles. There's a little handle option there. But also you can just grab this. And if you really need to, you can just extend it. Just grab the clip. You can't extend it because it's blocking, but if it wasn't being blocked, you could totally just like extend it, no problem. And if you're in here and you want to reorder things, like we just showed you, just grab this and just reorder things. You can reorder whole sections as well. Also, your shorts, just click edit short if you want to edit them. Same concept, just add the lines. If you don't like certain lines, but you kind of like them to be here to be read, just click that on and off, no problem. And you want to build a cut yourself, build one from scratch, name it, add a line, owner tour. This will be all your sequences that you set up. Start adding lines and you can just build a whole new story. You can do a section, all that stuff. It makes sense. If something doesn't make sense, just contact the team to be like, this doesn't make sense. Can you change this in the tool? And they'll change it. Let's build this little video we just made in Premiere. Here it is. There's those 4 things that we just built inside of Premiere. At the top, you can see sequence, match, source, frame rate, all those kind of things you would expect. It's really cool. Let's delete this. We don't want this cut anymore. And then all quotes. Let's say you're editing your RoughCut and you want to find like a new CTA. Let's just type hello. Hello. There's 2 quotes. Hello and welcome to the Distillery Modern Art. Oh, we really need this in our cut here. It's already in Hero Cut. You can see here at the bottom, but I want to insert it here. Here it is. It's now in here. We were able to pull that quote and pull it out. And this is a whole thing. You can actually search through here. That's fine. You can actually see your sequences. You can see the intro, B-roll, untagged things. The AI automatically tags stuff for you, but you can also, let's do that over here, I think. Kick in. That doesn't make sense to have a tag. So it does tag things for you. Owner tour, there's untagged, all. Let's just do all hooks, intros, themes, and you can build your story from here and just start inserting stuff. Now, if you're really curious, you can just take all the quotes from the owner tour, all tags, and just go to the bottom and do build in Premiere. It'll actually build it for you in Premiere, which is pretty cool. And finally, like I said, you're gonna have to play with RoughCut. There's a lot of options in here to build your story. That's the whole point, is it's AI augmented, but you're really just the editor here. This is speeding up your workflow. That's the whole point. At the very bottom, if you click on any of these tabs and go to the very bottom to your big build, you can click export to Excel or CSV if you don't have Excel. And what it does is opens up this. This is an old one I exported from a different version. Because obviously if you do different AIs to build the story, the original stories is going to be a little different because they're different every time. Here's your hero cut, the cut down that I did for another one, all the shorts. I did like 10 shorts for another one, and the all quotes. So this is something you can like hand to a client and be like, hey, here's the video we shot. Here's the hero cut. It's a 11-minute, 51-second sequence because I asked it to make it that long when we did it. Cut down 2 minutes. Here's all the shorts. And the client can literally read the shorts and be like, oh, this sounds really cool. And you can make your videos. And that's RoughCut in a nutshell. So be sure to go support the Filmit.io team. Try out RoughCut. There's a link down in the description. And if you have any more questions about RoughCut, just click the help button in the top here. There's a lot of options here to understand why things do what. You can join the Discord channel to ask more questions or contact the team directly through email. The team is great. And this is, like I said, community-driven tools. What people need, the team makes. So be a part of the journey. Let's have fun. And as always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.